Welcome to everyone. This is Umer. I hope you all are safe and well. Today is Sunday. Now I am starting my vlog. Friends, last night I came here to Asapaba house. I couldn't go outside because there's a raining there. Friends, now I am having French fries with tea. Friends, now I have done my snacks. Friends, I will show you the rain. Come. Now I'm going upstairs.
Be careful, Umar.
Okay. Oh, there's a water. Oh, got it.
Umar, who is this?
It's a rabbit.
Whose rabbit is this?
Real colors.
Okay. Go and look outside.
Look. Wait.
So dirty.
Let's open it.
No, Umar. There is a raining outside. Umar.
Oh.
Can't go.
Why?
Close it.
Guys, can you hear the raining sound? You hear that? And if the raining is getting faster. Light has gone. I want to go outside, but my mother says no.
Why your mother says no?
Because there's rain outside.
Is light rain outside or heavy rain outside?
Heavy rain.
That's why, no?
Friend, you met with Guria Khala's rabbit? Yeah. Yeah. It had been raining since morning. May Allah protect us
All.
all. Bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.